Dear viewers, this is Hassanul Haq. Welcome back my React playlist. In this episode, I'll discuss how to install React Bootstrap in React application. This is official website of React Bootstrap. Generally, we know Bootstrap is a free front-end framework. We can use Bootstrap to design a static web page as well as dynamic website like React, Angular, Vue.js, and so on. Bootstrap has many different CSS classes. We use that classes as HTML element to design web page. Like for button, it has BTN, BTN primary, BTN secondary classes, and so on. React Bootstrap, this is also front-end framework, but this has been rebuilt from Bootstrap for React. You do not need to worry classes while you use React Bootstrap. This framework provides components like for button, it provides button component, and for cards, it provides card component, and so on. Let's see how we can install React Bootstrap. Click here. Here is the installation guideline. Actually, I need to copy this command npm install React Bootstrap and paste here. When I execute this command, it will download package from npm server and will save inside the node modules and will add the package name inside the package.json file. Let's run this command. Press enter. Package has been installed. Let's see how we can use React Bootstrap component in this app. Last video we saw this app, and here is the button and this CSS class from Bootstrap, not React Bootstrap. Let's see how we can replace this class by button component. Here we can see many Bootstrap component like accordion alerts. Here is the buttons component. So here is the guideline for using button component. You first need to import. Let's copy this code. We'll see here. So now I will use the button component instead of the HTML element button. And here no need to use the class name. I'll use the variant. Our variant is primary. Let's see in browser. The same as before, we are using Bootstrap. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get notification for future video.